Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to suggest your account to other on TikTok. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application and as first step, go to your profile by tap here at the bottom. Then click in three line here at the top right. Then choose settings and privacy. From account, choose privacy. Now choose suggest your account to other. Great. Now to suggest your account TikTok to your contact, turn on this option here. And you can see here, suggest your account to your contact. For these settings, you'll need to add phone number, add an email. And you can turn this option here. And you can see here, suggest your account to your Facebook friend. For these settings, you will need to connect a Facebook account. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.